Yeah, I'm running at a comet tracking rate. So this comet's staying pretty stationary and the stars are moving. Audio check. Is my audio working? I don't know. Maybe it's not. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let me see here. Da, 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 da. I don't see anything moving on my audio. Let's see here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. It's working on the YouTube channel, but not on the Night Sky Networks. Don't know why. Testing, 1, 2. There we go. Now I got audio. All right. Wasn't working before, apparently. All right. I don't see anybody on my other channel, so I'm not going to get on my Discord. Oh, somebody's there. Must be a guest. All right, so that's got my Discord channel open now too. Hopefully that's working. Why did that change? It's not. Gonna have to update that. Oh, how do I do that? I don't know. How do I change that? Nothing real exciting here. I'm just tracking Comet Africano. Moved quite a bit here. Got another 15 frames at 15 seconds. I'm going to start some 30-second frames. Why is this not... where is the settings button here? There we go, user settings. I need to change this to... what's the overlay? Let's see here. Appearance. I want dark theme. There we go. That's what I want. good. And there we go. That's what I want. So I'm in my Discord channel as well. You log in, download Discord, and log into Northern Cross Observatory. Look for the Streaming Observatory channel. Then you too can listen to my cat. Still got an hour and a half before I hit Meridian, so we're in good shape there. We're actually getting higher altitude now, so it's actually looking a little better. The thing I don't understand is why that. No, there are some other ones. Okay. Got some decent stars to track on if I need to.
Do what they did. Yeah. Without all these, no plate solving, no guiding, no
really good skies,
Bluetooth,
and really good skies, and all we're looking for is fuzzy
fuzzies.
objects. Yeah.
They had like kind of molded, bent, polished glass, best they could, black skies, and that's all they had. That's all they had.
Hey, I read something today which got me to thinking. It was a reference to official constellations.
Good.
I thought, well, no. Then I thought that's kind of strange. So I'm looking on the internet and I see again official constellations. So does the international group that goes around assigning names also assign the constellation names?
At some point they did, but it was, I thought, more for the most of your and my lifetimes, they were arguing about the boundaries because they said you can't have empty space. Somebody has to own. So if you look at your stellarium, all the lines, are drawn, and I'm sure they argued about the boundaries, but
Well, I just wondered, since they're essentially just they're an imaginary construct.
Yeah.
Who cares?
No, but it gives you sort of a. If somebody said Cephas, you go, okay, I know where you're looking, but I don't necessarily know Cephas and his boundaries. But they say, but they draw the boundaries and go that okay. And there are so many stars that are like just a titch this way and a titch that way, and they could have been either way. But the poor things, oh no, sorry, you're part of Cephas. You're not part of, Cassiopeia. I'm sorry, sorry.
Oh, a tree is a terrible cloud.
A tree sometimes is a great
this one
nebula. What do you call it? Like a aperture contrast filter.
I could be
on the moon. Clouds are great. That was you last night, I think. Wasn't it you?
Yeah.
We had very dynamic clouds that were a nice filter.
I forgot to look, but my imagination tells me the moon is lower in the sky than it was.
I fought the moon and the clouds won. Oh, that's a song, yeah. I fought the moon and the clouds won. Hello, Kiko. Boy, I don't think I've seen you in a while, or
Kiko.
Yeah, I don't remember Kiko. I thought I remember Kiko.
There's you're adding an extra syllable.
No, Kiko. Oh yeah, Kiko.
Yeah.
Oh, And Doug's here. Hello, Doug well, Doug's at my elevation, so I wonder if he's enjoying better skies than me.
And now he has a nice view of a tree.
Kind of hazy, everything, kind of. But actually, no, I was watching the weather radar, and there's a thing coming from Doug's way, my way.
It's clear here.
But it's not a big deal, so it's just hazy, cloudy, I'll bet. It's got to be hazy, cloudy.
No, it's clear.
Wow.
And it's going to be clear tomorrow night.
Well, if it's clear
Wednesday night.
Hey, if it's clear tonight there, that means you're going to hit frost, right? Maybe?
It's going to get down to 35 degrees Fahrenheit tonight.
All right.
Whoa.
We hit that or better a few days ago, but no damage. And my house is still 77 now. I don't know what it's outside. 60, 62.
Yeah, it's right now it's in the 40s.
40s will be us tomorrow morning, like 5. So
yeah, it's supposed to be about 35, 36 by.
Well, you Northerners, you know. By what? 1, 2 degrees?
Yeah.
That makes such a difference. It does. Jeez.
It'll be 35 or 36 tomorrow morning at about 7.
From here to Jared, actually, Doug and Jared have probably almost the same elevation, latitude, weather. Have you had frost yet?
No.
Jared had frost a couple days ago, and I knew he would. There was no way.
But no way. Not yet.
He just hit like 30 Fahrenheit, 30, 31.
Yep. I'm working comets tonight.
Oh, cool. Okay, so you're doing that weird Afrikaner 2018, that one?
Yeah, right now 2018 W2 because the other ones haven't gotten above my horizon yet.
All right. If you put it on here at some point, I'm gonna go there. Oh shit. I mean, damn. Did I say? I said shirt. My shirt.
Your Canadian accent is really hard to understand, George.
I know. I said shirt. What did it sound like?
Yeah. Anyways, it's just a little fuzzy dot right now.
I know, but I wanted to see it, and I know you like to work that thing.
I do time lapse, and I also stack it. I'm tracking at comet rates right now.
Are you doing in color or mono?
It's mono.
That'll work.
It's I'm tracking at the comet rate, the comet tracking rate right now. So it's staying relatively stationary, and the stars are moving.
I can only do one B-cast at a time, and I haven't seen the moon in so long.
24 hours.
Yeah. Oh no! I mean, really. And Dave had like a couple of days to die for. I don't know how he did it.
Anyhow,
I think he sacrificed his firstborn or something. Those clouds look a little. Are those clouds bothersome, Dave?
The tree clouds?
Oh, okay. We're still floating through a tree. Okay. God, oh God. I thought you were into clouds again.
No, there are no clouds. The sky is very pink all over. So we've got a lot of something in the air. But,
it's called California and the political climate. I don't know.
Hey, we don't use that. Yeah, that's true. They don't use that word anymore.
I don't. Yeah, I didn't say anything. I just made a reference to.
I know a pretty good word, but they don't use it anymore. I'm sure that things have changed, and pinko probably means something else altogether now.
Oh man, I could tell you were a fan of All in the Family for sure.
No.
Oh really? Oh my God!
I never watched it.
Oh my God!
I couldn't stand the wife, the wife character going, Archie, what
Archie, but Archie. Oh yeah, okay. Her voice. Oh my God. Chalk, fingernails on chalkboard, right? Yeah. But Archie.
And then you'd pick up the paper and you'd read about what a great actress she was. I mean, couldn't.
Yeah, well. That shows, wow, from Plato up top to pretty well Copernicus up there. All half of the Mare Imbrium impact basin. And you got to realize when that thing hit, the impactor went down 1/3 the diameter of that. So picture a bowl of that size, pow, into that. All the material that left, a lot of which hit the earth, by the way, and had Vesta-like qualities to it. Vesta, the asteroid?
Yes, yes.
And then backfilled with lava to this. And it was, for whatever reason, I don't understand, very titanium rich. Well, more titanium rich. And then those little bright spots up to the right, and you see them up to the right, that sort of weld up and float in on top. Iron, which is for one, it's a heavier, yeah, that part does make sense. Like it's a heavier thing, but that means that, okay, the lava cooled a little bit and then that happened. It welled up and happened. Otherwise, it would have expected the other way around. I would have, but that's just me.
Let's see.
And I'm allowed to write a paper or have an opinion on that.
You are. You might have a tough time getting it published.
No. When people go, you're right. Titanium regoliths are lighter than iron regoliths, so this had to be a timing thing or a cooling thing. Like there's a lot of dynamics going on the left side of the moon there for about 1 billion, 2 billion years. When that's molten lava, anything goes. But when it starts cooling and things are still hitting it, like Plato and Copernicus.
Doug, you must have a speaker on.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, George was getting a tremendous echo.
Good for me.
He has a tremendous voice.
Okay. Sorry. When I get excited, I do get excited about the moon because, reasons. But Plato.
You need to finish that paper.
I know. I'm on page 4. And Pat Utah sent pictures, and I got. But that was Tycho. But up there, look at Plato. I mean, that's just a hard, fast, deep iron nickel. Pow, right into that highlight. Pow, just pow. No rays, nothing. That's a bullet hole. And then you go down and down there to Copernicus. A billion or 2 years later, more, I would say, icy snowball, or a rocky snowball, right? Pow, and big sploosh into whatever was left of the lava at the time, whatever state it was in. Wow. Plato is old. But Plato happened after the Imbrium impact, and then and Copernicus is fairly recent. I wonder if it's maybe not even 1 billion years old. It's not even deep enough to get lava up into the bottom of the crater, right? If you look at it real deep, LRO pictures and stuff, which is amazing. I mean, that was 8-10 mile impactor Pow. Blasted that out. And by default, it would have had to go down 20 miles and then rebound back up. And it didn't bring any lava up. So that's, how fast the moon, cooled in 1 billion or 2 years.
A blink of the eye.
Oh, just a blink, Dave. And then down to the right, where the highlight of the evening apparently is Clavius and Tycho. Tycho is so new. It's the same size as Copernicus, and it hit in the higher older highlands. That just made that again just blasted a crater, but really shot out a lot of stuff. And you go, well, I wonder why. Was it an icy snowball? Was it, rock? I suspect it was not iron nickel. A lot of those guys went away early for some reason. And then below that, the biggest thing in the whole picture down there is Clavius, 140 miles wide. That guy is old. And in fact, he's so big that you can see the curvature of the moon on the floor, right? Like you see how the one side's dark and it's lit up in the middle and then shadow again on the upper right crater edge. That might frame up nice, Dave, if you got it. Just saying.
Well, this is the.
You got 3 billion versus 1. Well, no, actually, Tycho is like 100 million. 100 million versus several billion probably for Clavius. I'm taking a wild guess on that because it's got to be at least 2 and probably 3 billion.
I don't have my atlas running to do the.
That would help.
To do the
that
fact.
would help.
Well, yeah.
Well, see, and those guys, and again, those guys do, I would love to know what they do different than I do when they say, well, for these reasons, it's about this old, and they publish a number. But if, as an engineer, you publish a number, you got to do a plus or minus. You know how, when some of the right sites, they say 30 light years, and they go plus or minus 5 because of the margin of error. It's the margin of error thing, because otherwise everybody believes it. And you go, okay, wait. It could be 25, could be 35.
Well,
when they say 30, like if somebody says, oh, it's 30. No, well, it might, it could be. But
although in